Hi, I'm Dr. Erin Elliott, and one of my favorite things about dentistry is how it is evolving and changing and improving. And one of those things is CBCT, cone beam, three-dimensional technology. Instead of the old standard two-dimensional x-rays, we can now take a three-dimensional image of your head and neck so that we can see abscesses that you might not have known was there, cysts of the jaw, your tooth roots. We can also plan our implants, and when it comes to sleep, we can look at your airway. It is such an amazing tool to have in our practice because we can see so much more and catch things when they're early, and it is very low radiation as well. So this comes standard in our new patient exams, so we can give you the most comprehensive view and treatment plan. So please call today.